Oh, sumabit nga sa ano, sa snow. Yeah. You know. Oh yeah. Lalabas ko na siya ng konti, guys. Okay, lilipat ako ng pwesto. Parang alanganin ako dito, maliit yung space nila. Pupunta ako sa Flying J. Te, yung shower nyo dito, under pa rin ng Flying J? Good morning, mga choy. Good morning, internet. Good morning, viewers. Good morning, Idaho. Why? Alas 7 na ng umaga na ako. Then hindi pa ako umarangkada dahil hindi pa clear yung aking load. Pero at least nakapasok na siya. Siguro by 8 o'clock British Columbia time ay papasok yung mga taga-opisina. Then tsaka ako pupunta doon. It's only 45 minutes. Naalala nyo yung ano? Naglagay ako ng 360 sa likod, di ba? So dito din yun. So hindi na ako maglalagay dahil nakita nyo na yung area. Init lang ako ng noodles. Ito hot and spicy, mga choy. Marami pa akong stocks na pagkain. That's good. Sarap sa umaga yung noodles at saka tawag ito. Log. And she comes with me on a summer break. Need to show how deep is your love, is your love, how deep is your love. We're meant to learn, 'cause we're living in the world of fools. Okay. Sarap magpamasahe. Superman. Madumi na to. Ito lang yung pangit sa truck nito, men, dahil dapat meron siyang lalagyan dito. Yung mga aking mga duming damit, wala akong pwedeng paglagyan eh. Kailangan i-arrange mo talaga siya dito sa ano. Dapat itong bag dito siya nakalagay, oh. Meron siyang lalagyan dyan ba? Wala. Tinipid nila yung setup ng truck. tinipid nila yung setup ng truck. Kaya saglit naman siya eh. Sasama ko muna kayo mag pre-trip, okay? Bago ako kain ng noodles. And we were rising. Oh. So every morning, pag may pagkakataon, noodles man. Noodles man, noodles. Okay. Whew. Whew. Where is it? Okay, I'm done here sa likod. Kasi yung araw na ito wala akong ibang gagawin kundi mag-drive. So mag-drive guys. Oh, kala ko Ranger oh. Kagandahan. Oh, daming revin man. Ay. Oh, I need engine oil. Hinigpitan na naman ito ah. Delo, da 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 da, and da da na na na, da, etc. Oh. Ito yung magkukos na naman ng isipin mo naman na may leak eh. Anti-freeze. Engine oil, yeah. Delo din siya. 5 times to 1. SW40, that's good. Yung nakakalimutan yung alam niyo yung embudo. Pag nasa Winnipeg ako, hindi ko siya maalala. Malapit na ako mag-change oil. Ano na lang siya, 20,000 kilometers na lang. minimum. Okay. Mercedes, hey, hey, hey. And dan, da. Hey. Bakit nyo magtatanong kayo bakit yung nilalagyan? Kasi sa Canada ngayon is negative 30 and 40 mga choy. Kaya preventable, lagyan mo na agad habang nandito pa. So anyway, double check ko lang yung tires ko, wala bang crack. Make sure kasi matulin minsan takbo eh. Man, made in China. Made in China ang bucket. Galit na galit siya sa China pero export ng China. Oh, this one is made from Brazil. Caterpillar USA, Peoria, Illinois. Domestic, made in Brazil, this one. I don't know, maybe the whole thing is made from Brazil, pero papunta siya ng Caterpillar but Canada eyes, pa-Canada siya na style. Caterpillar Brazil, man. Made in Brazil but your bucket is from China. No? Funny. Ang gulong ay made in Vietnam. Well, maraming ano sa Vietnam, yung goma. My cell phone is made from China. Noodles na dapat merong sabaw na hihigupin ko, wala na tuloy. Kinain na siya, kinain ng noodles. Alam ko masama laging noodles, no? Pero masarap siya eh. Nabili ko siya, yung brand niya ay Maruchan. Nabili ko sa Walmart, 62 cents. Pero ang sarap, promise. But this one, Maruchan instant lunch, nasa Walmart dyan sa Amerika. 62 cents. Ang binili ko isang 12, isang box na 12 piraso. Pero masarap siya, men. Yung spicy niya, hindi ko siya pinopromote dahil hindi ko ito kilala na hindi sila nagbabayad ng promotion, pero masarap siyang pagka noodles. Tapos lagyan nyo ng itlog. Yeah, masarap siyang noodles, man. Yung mga taga-Amerika, puntahan nyo to. I mean, try nyo ito sa US. 62 cents, not bad.
Zone has been detected and is pending your acknowledgement for activation.
Nag-clear yung aking load around 10:30 ng umaga. Good morning, officer.
How are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
How long were you down in the U.S.?
Since Wednesday,
Where'd you go?
we went to Fort of Tacoma.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you buy or bring back anything for yourself?
Just a carton of cigarette here.
Okay. Now, in the future, you got to make sure you got your full 48 hours, because right now you're at 1 day, 22 hours.
So I am not allowed to.
Well, it would be taxed. And tobacco tax is huge.
How much?
Probably over $60. So watch your time, okay?
Okay,
In the
yeah,
future?
sure.
All right. I'll just put you down as 2 days this time. No firearms or weapons?
No.
Large amounts of currency?
No.
Cannabis, anything like that?
No.
Okay. And I'll put you in there.
So, officer, so when I get into the US, you can see what time I'm really?
Yeah, right down to the minute.
It shows in your computer?
Yeah.
Oh.
Same going the other way too.
Oh, you
They
see.
share the information.
Like example, like we're coming from Canada, heading back to US. Are we allowed to buy some duty from Canada to US?
If you're going into the U.S. And you're going to be down there, you can buy duty free, but you're not supposed to bring it back. You're supposed to consume it down there.
Like cigarettes?
Yeah, cigarettes or alcohol. As long as you're consuming it in the U.S. and not bringing it back, then it's cheaper there than it buying it, say at the liquor store. That
Yeah, yeah.
a little bit more expensive than the U.S. side, but you are allowed to do that.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. So you're all good.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, yung sinabi niya na 1 day and 22 hours, 2 hours more para mag 48 hours ako. Kasi pwede kang bumili ng sigarilyo, again, sigarilyo, alak, basta within 48 hours ka sa Amerika. So pumasok ako kahapon, the last Wednesday, around 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11:49 na. Bakit na ano ako ng 2 hours? But yun nga, merong kang duty free na babayaran pag bumili ka ng sigarilyo from the US and wala ka pang 48 hours, sabi niya is $60 para dito sa sigarilyo, no? Bakit ako laging nabili ng sigarilyo sa Amerika? Hindi ako totally smoker, talagang chain smoker, no? Hindi ako ganun. Ano lang, yung parang 3, 4 na pop, tapong ko na siya kasi nasusuka ako. Mas cheaper kasi sa duty free na bibili ako ng sigarilyo compare sa loob ng Canada. You know the price ng isang kaha sa Bisaya, isang kaha sa loob ng Canada, magkanong price ito? $25, man. $25 ang isang kaha. So kung mag-consume ka
ng 10 kaha in a few days. Ubusin mo yung 10 kaha kung gin smoker ka talaga. Mag-i-spend ka ng around $250. 250 Canadian dollars para sa sigarilyo. Like example, 4 days mo siyang ginamit, inubos mo yung 10 within 4 days. Sa akin, matagal siyang maubos kasi nga sisigarilyo lang ako. Nag-i-smoke ako, pero yun lang yung tapos kumain, like nag-break. Hindi talaga yung maya-maya sindi. No. So, ang price nito, yung bibili ka ng mga Canadian Classic sa loob, $25 sa mga smoker. Pag bumili ka ng mahal din naman yung mga Marlboro, mahal yun sa US, $80 USD. Pero ang binibili ko kasi itong Sheriff Menthol. Sheriff Menthol. This is worth $18 US dollars. Pag sa Canadian, it's only $25 isang karton. So ang laki ng aking natitipid, di ba? Laki ng aking nakukuha na si savings sa sigarilyo na worth ng isang kaha is $25, pero pag bumili ka sa border is $25 lang yung isang karton, di ba? So bakit ako bumibili ng sigarilyo? Kasi malaman, kasi we're going to kailangan ko ng smoke. Masyadong mahal doon, masyadong expensive ang sigarilyo doon. And then yeah, so nag-iipon ako kasi that would be around 6 weeks. We're going to the comment. Please comment. We're going to. Alam kong hinihintay ninyo. Alam kong gusto ninyo makita ulit. But again, welcome back to Canada. So aking destination all the way hanggang Edmonton tonight. Tigil ako dun sa customer sa Fining. Then Saturday morning, unload ako ng Saturday morning. Then wala pa akong plan kung anong next ito sa aking biyahe. Welcome back to Canada, Machoy. Just 2 days sa US. Parang namamasyal ka lang. Balik.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Hi guys, Edmonton. Woo, thank you Lord. Almost there.
Be in either of the two left lanes.
17 minutes. So babay-bayay ko ang Anthony Hinday. Ngayon. We're gonna start from here. Heading west. There guys. Minutes. 6 minutes. Natin.
Take exit 21 on the right toward 100th Avenue, then keep right.
Sir. Then keep right. 21. ko nang mag-radio guys. Ay, copy that. Kay 10-4. Sige lang, tagilaan na ako.
In 1.5 kilometers, turn left before the Courtyard by Marriott.
Parang slippery ng konti ang highway. And then, what's next? 1 kilometer left. Brakes ako dito. Brakes ako dito.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Oh really? Dito? Sa light? So nakakita na kayo ng snow guys.
1 kilometer, turn right on 105 Avenue Northwest.
Kasi yung pinupuntahan natin ng mga Washington, walang snow. Negative 13 dito ngayon. Plus wind chill. That's 1 kilometer. Ang problema ko na naman ngayon ay washroom. Kasi ang titigilan ko mismong gate ng Phoenix. This one is Stony Plain Road. Stony Plain. Then turn right 105 Avenue. Alas 8 na ng gabi. Busy pa yung mga tao kagala. Go home guys, go home. Take a rest. Okay lang kayo dito sa ano, sa ulo? Yeah, come on, go home. Tagal ng lights nila. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 take off. We have a green light. We have a green light. Green, green, green. Let's go. Oh, bilis mo. Oh my God. Naunahan mo ako. Kilometers an hour. I think merong ano dito. Merong
In 600
Flying
meters,
J.
turn right on 105 Avenue Northwest.
Malayo na ako sa ano eh. Tinatawag na Sherwood. May Flying J dito eh. I know. I know may Flying J dito. Pero kung wala akong maparadahan mismo,
105 Avenue Northwest.
maparadahan mismo sa harap nila, kung you know, it's complicated yung parking, then I'm gonna drive to Flying J. Meron pa akong 3 hours.
meters, turn right on 180 Street
Buhat nang
Northwest.
umalis ako kanina sa British Columbia, Idaho, pagpasok ko ng British Columbia, hindi pa ako umihi. Yeah, true. Hindi pa ako umihi until now. So almost 8 hours. Oh man, pinipigilan ko yung ihi ko. Kakasakit ako nito.
Turn right on 180 Street Northwest.
Asan banda? Main line 130 West. Ito siya. Ito na. Ayun, no? Feeling. Kita ko na agad. Thank you, Lord.
Arriving at Finning Edmonton on the left.
But I don't know if meron akong parking. Pwede ba ako mag-park? Wala, man. Wala akong parking. Maliit lang yung space ng kanilang gate. So kung iharap ko ng konti doon sa gabal, pero may gagawin ako, i-side ko ng konti dito. Walang parking dito. So I think hindi naman siguro ako nakalabas ng puwet. Bakit yun? Ano nangyari doon? Kailangan ko nga, baka sumabit.
You have 3 hours and 48 minutes of remaining drive time.
Okay, sleeper. And then change. Yan lang guys. Arrive ko lang siya. Arrival S2. Parang sumabit yung trailer ko sa likod eh. So they're gonna open at 6 o'clock. Oh, sumabit nga. Sa ano? Sa snow. Yeah. You know. Oh yeah. Lalabas ko lang siya ng konti guys. Sumabit. Okay, lilipat ako ng pwesto. Parang alanganin ako dito, maliit yung space nila. Pupunta ako sa Flying J. Pupunta ako sa Flying J. Maliit yung space eh. I don't know if pwede mag-park dito sa gilid eh. time ko tumigil dito. First time ko rin makapasok sa Flying J dito sa loob mismo ng Edmonton. Loob mismo ng Edmonton.
Keep right to 170 Street Northwest, then take the first left.
Kasi pag once nasa Edmonton, doon ako sa Sherwood. Kasi nandun si Crispin. Crispin, shout out! There we go. Ayan, tingnan mo nga kung anong meron dito.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first left.
Brado. Minutes from Fining yung Flying J na to.
Turn left on 168 Street Northwest.
Ay, mali ba yung pinasukan ko eh? Tama. Oh, that's nice. Flying J. Tama.
Arrive at the coordinates on the left.
No parking. Access lane. Parking na ako. Wala na akong option eh. Okay. Oh! Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Compact Ice. Dito na ako pumarada sa gilid. Wala na akong option. Di ko alam kung saan ang paradahan nila. Delikado, madulas. Ice is ice, man. So kanina, sumabit kanina dito. You know. No. Sumabit siya. Ayun, may parkingan pa ng isa, oh. Yeah, compact ice siya. Malamig. Malamig. So anyway guys, dito na ako sa Edmonton. Tingnan ko lang itong isang space dito. Oh, meron no. Meron pala siyang space doon no. Yeah, abante ako dito tapos atras ako doon. Naku muna ako, baka may bayad eh. Kasi minsan may mga reserve. Merong isang painter dito na truck. Ayan, may bakante oh. Parking access. Yeah, pwede ako dito. Lipat ako dito. Okay guys, nakaparada na dun sa likod. Pumusto na ako dun oh. Pero grabe nga ito, compact ice oh. Ito yung napanood ko sa balita eh. Hindi nililinis, but this one is private property guys, so I don't know. Ingat, baka madulas ba. Papasok lang ako dito sa loob, washroom, and then yeah, call for a night dito. Start ako bukas ng 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Babalik ulit ako dun sa Fining para ma-unload, and then Torn and Born, pabalik ulit ng Washington. Nice snow. Mga Pilipino yung nandito. Ito palang loob nila oh. Mushroom, okay. Saan dito? This laundry guys. Ah, here. Shower and restroom. Oh, may shower sila. So ito yung loob ng kanilang store. Yeah. This is Shell. Pero I don't know if under pa rin ba ng ano to? Meron dito. So may mga nagnanakaw. Oh. Pinapublish yung mga mukha nila. Ah, sarado na. Yeah. Te, yung shower nyo dito, under pa rin ng Flying J?
Opo,
Ah, okay. So, kung walang points, magkano?
12 po.
12?
Opo.
Sige. Salamat. Ang Pilipino eh. Under ng Flying J ang kanilang shower. Anyway guys, yeah, done for the day. Friday today. Then kanina wala sana akong plan. Kaso lang sabi niya, oh hindi ka ma-unload ng Saturday kasi Saturday. Sabi ko hindi, na-unload si GP ng Saturday. Kaya bigyan mo ako ng plan, kung anong plan mo sa akin, then in a few seconds, bang, pasok yung Washington ulit. Washington, yung next kong load, babalik ulit ako ng Washington. Ang next kong load ay road grader, doon din sa Tacoma, and papuntang Regina, yung aking delivery sa Regina, sa Fining din. Ang dami naming Fining ngayon guys, ang dami naming mga heavy equipment. Then Regina, and for sure uuwi na yan kasi kailangan kong magbakasyon bago mag-comment, bago alam na. Mamaya ko kukwento, the next time ko ikukwento yung about sa hinihintay ninyong event sa buhay, yung gusto nyo makita. Di ba gusto nyo yun? Lagi nyo nire-request, lagi nyo gino-comment, kailan ka pupunta doon, bla bla bla. So saka tayo magkwentuhan yan pagkatapos ng isang Sabado na question and answer. Then I'm gonna tackle it kung kailan at saan at ilan yung pupunta doon. So yung mga naka-follow sa Facebook, nakita nyo na yung pinost ko na merch, no? Yung mga taga Winnipeg, hindi ko pa alam kung magkano price kasi si Gwen, shoutout kay Gwen, nandito si Gwen sa text ko pala, nandito si Gwen sa Edmonton. So text siyang gumagawa ng aking merch. So wala pa yung hard copy, and then text ko si Gwen. Malayo kasi ako kay Gwen, hindi kasi ako mag-i-stay ng Edmonton. Ang akala ko kasi stay ako ng Edmonton, makapuntahan ko sana siya para makapag-usap kami, ma-meet ko rin siya dahil I think it's second year na niya dito sa Canada. Galing siya ng Qatar, nakakuha siya ng work dito sa Edmonton. Pero nung dumating siya, since hindi ko pa siya na-meet up dahil busy, so yeah, titext ko siya. And then again, yung mga gustong mag-order nung pinost ko sa Facebook, I'll let you know kung magkano, and kung taga Winnipeg kayo, bibigay ko sa inyong address kasi may mga may gumawa ng aking merch at doon na mismo sa kanyang shop, si Pau Pau. So malalaman natin kung magkano, and bahala na kayo mag-order ko anong kulay yung gusto ninyo sa inyong jacket. Pero kami, kailangan namin ng jacket bago kami pupunta ng, alam niyo na yun. So anyway guys, I'll see you on my next vlog, next episode. Papahinga na ako, malamig, hindi ko na siguro papatayin ng truck dahil negative 13. I don't know what's the wind chill, but yeah, I'll just leave it like this. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Pag-camping mo tanan, and have a good night. Good night, Edmonton.